Welcome to Smart Crypto Guide. Have you come across Bitcoin, Ethereum, or cryptocurrency and found it perplexing? You're in the right place. This video will explain cryptocurrency, its workings, and its significance, all within just 5 minutes. Absolutely. No intricate graphs, just the key points presented clearly. Let's get started. What is cryptocurrency, exactly? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency. Unlike the cash you hold or the money in a bank, cryptocurrency exists solely in the online space. It's entirely virtual. You cannot touch or feel it, but you can use it for purchases, money transfers, or investing. What sets it apart? It is decentralized, meaning no government or bank governs it. Instead, cryptocurrencies operate on a special technology called blockchain, which we will clarify shortly. Here's the essence. While traditional currency is created and managed by central banks, cryptocurrency is generated and secured through code and backed by a global network of computers. This makes it borderless, permissionless, and transparent. It's changing how we view money. Now, let's explore how it actually works. Picture a digital ledger, akin to an open notebook, recording all transactions made. This ledger isn't controlled by a single person but is shared among thousands of computers worldwide. When someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction is assembled into a block. The network then validates that block using machines known as nodes or miners. Once verified, it gets added to a chain of previous transactions, forming a blockchain. Here's the critical point. Once a block is added, it cannot be changed or deleted. This makes it exceedingly secure, nearly unhackable, and entirely transparent. The entire process occurs without banks or intermediaries. You rely on the code and the network rather than anyone else. It's fast, reliable, and operates 24/7 worldwide. So, which cryptocurrencies are the most prominent that you should know about? Let's start with Bitcoin, also known as BTC. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, launched in 2009, often referred to as digital gold. It's mainly used as a store of value or for investment. Next, we have Ethereum, commonly called ETH. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum was developed for more than just payment processing. It allows developers to build applications, smart contracts, and entire financial systems on its blockchain. Then there are stablecoins, such as USDT or USDC. These are designed to maintain price stability, usually pegged to the US dollar. They are useful for trading or storing value without the extreme price fluctuations associated with crypto. Many other coins exist, but these are the most popular starting points for many individuals. You might wonder, what incentivizes someone to choose cryptocurrency over traditional cash? Here are some key reasons. Speedy payments, especially internationally, without the delay of bank processing. Lower fees, especially compared to wire transfers or money transfer services. Full control. No one can freeze your account or block your transaction. Investment potential. Many people buy and hold crypto as an asset. Finally, privacy. You don't have to share personal information to send or receive cryptocurrency. For individuals in countries with unstable currencies or limited banking options, cryptocurrency can be life-changing. Nevertheless, it's important to acknowledge that cryptocurrency has its downsides. There are risks involved, and understanding them is vital. Firstly, volatility. Prices can soar rapidly and can plummet just as quickly. Secondly, scams and fake coins are prevalent. Always be cautious of suspicious links or offers that seem unrealistically favorable. Third, regulatory frameworks are still evolving. Some countries support cryptocurrency, while others restrict or ban it. Therefore, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, grasp the basics, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is powerful, but it's not a shortcut to wealth. There you have it, cryptocurrency explained in under 5 minutes. It's virtual, decentralized, and reshaping the future of finance. If you found this video informative, please like it and subscribe to Smart Crypto Guide for more beginner-friendly content. We provide tutorials, reviews, and recommendations to facilitate your learning. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the next video.